Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to be talking about the Diamante poem. A Diamante poem is a 7-line poem that forms the shape of a diamond. So it is also a poem that compares two things. So you can kind of go wherever you want with this poem. You can make it about anything that you want. If you look at my poem right down at the bottom, you can see it forms the shape of a diamond. And the two things that I compared were the rain and the sun. As you can see, my poem starts with the word rain and ends with the word sun. So when you think about your ideas today, I want you to think about two things and how they're opposites. So you could do maybe the seasons, summer and winter, fall and spring. You can do sports like basketball and baseball. They're two different sports. There's different things that you do in them. There's different ways to describe them. You can pick colors. You can pick maybe red and blue. You can talk about words that are those colors, kind of anything that you can find something opposite to, happy, sad, um, snow, and I did sun, so you could do snow and sun, kind of anything like that. Um, and we're going to go through what each line has to have. Each day you will be adding a line. We're not going to do it all in one day, so I'll walk you through the steps. So today you're just going to be picking your topic. You're just going to be picking your subject, which is going to be a noun. So a person, place, thing, animal, anything you want that you can find an opposite to. So your first line is going to be your noun. As you can see, I have rain, just one word. Then you're going to go into line 2, which is going to have 2 adjectives. So your adjectives are descriptive words. They can be colors. They can be what it looks like, what it feels like, how it sounds, anything like that. That describes your noun. So I picked wet and gloomy to describe my rain. Then in line 3, you're going to pick 3 words that end in ing. They can be verbs. Again, they are talking about your original noun. So mine are going to be talking about rain. So I picked pouring because when it's raining, it could be pouring outside. It's boring because you can't really go outside. You have to stay inside and find something to do. And I also picked pelting. So pelting is when the rain's coming down really, really hard. So you want 3 words ending in ing. And then your fourth line is going to be 2 more adjectives describing your noun at the top of your poem. And then that's why I want you to pick your opposite noun on the first day, because then you're going to need 2 adjectives that describe that opposite noun. So my first 2 adjectives to describe rain are somber and gray. So then maybe the sky is gray outside, you're feeling kind of sad. But then I have 2 words that describe the sun because that's my opposite one. So then I have bright and warm, which are talking about the sun. Now, your next 3 lines are all going to be about your new noun, how you're going to end your Diamante poem. So then you're going to do 3 words ending in ing again, but these 3 words are going to describe your opposite noun. So I have 3 words: shining, blinding, and shimmering, and they are all describing my sun. They're not describing the rain anymore. And then you go to the next line, which is going to just be 2 adjectives again, but they are describing the sun. So I picked bright and beautiful. And then the last line is very simple. You just put the opposite adjective or the opposite noun that you picked. So when you go into picking your topic for your Diamante poem, make sure that you have an opposite. So when you when you fill out the assignment, you're going to have your noun and then you're going to have your opposite noun. So my noun would be rain and my opposite noun would be sun. Yours can be maybe snow and sun. It could be summer and winter. Anything that's opposites. You can do cat and dog. You can do any kind of 2 animals that are different from each other. Any maybe sports that are different from each other. Any instruments for my friends who like to play instruments. Anything that you want that you can find an opposite to is what you're going to start your poem off. If you have any questions, let me know. And during our small groups this week, we can talk about it.